Hey, welcome to The Explainer. Today, we are diving deep into a topic that's totally shaking up one of the oldest industries out there: how artificial intelligence is becoming an absolute game changer for real estate agents. We're going to look at why it's so needed right now, how you can actually use it, and what it all means for the future of buying and selling homes. So let's get into it.
And I want to kick things off with this quote from superstar agent Ryan Serhant, because honestly, it just nails the whole point of what we're talking about today. The conversation isn't really about AI taking over jobs. It's about AI taking over the tedious, repetitive, time-sucking tasks, the boring stuff. This frees up agents to do what humans do best. It's all about empowerment, not replacement.
Okay, so to really get why AI is such a big deal, we first have to understand the pressure cooker that agents are living in right now. The industry is getting squeezed from all sides, and that's creating the perfect environment for a tech revolution. And that is the million-dollar question, isn't it? This isn't just about some shiny new toy. The move towards AI is being driven by very real, very urgent problems that are making it tougher and tougher to do business the old-fashioned way. And if you look at the data, it paints a really clear picture. Hiring is slowed to a crawl. Over half of all agencies are getting less than 5 decent applicants for their job openings. And to top it all off, the costs of having employees just keep going up. So the bottom line is, it's getting really hard and really expensive to find good help. So what's the response to that pressure? Well, this chart says it all. Agencies are getting smart. Almost 80% of them believe it is flat out cheaper to automate tasks than to hire more people. And nearly 70% think automation is actually more productive. See, technology isn't a nice-to-have anymore. It's being seen as the smarter business decision. So what's the end result of all these pressures? Agents are just drowning in admin work. I mean, just think about that number for a second. 60 to 70% of an agent's day is spent on stuff that has nothing to do with clients. They're not building relationships, they're not negotiating deals, they're just pushing paper. And that is the exact problem that AI is here to solve. All right, so we've laid out the problem pretty clearly. Now let's get to the good part. The solutions. And we're going to start with the simple stuff, the tools that are already out there, delivering huge results with almost no heavy lifting. Okay, let's take a super common task, writing a listing description. Before AI, you know the feeling. You're just staring at a blinking cursor, trying to find the perfect words. It could take an hour. Now with AI, you just pop a few details about the property into a tool like ChatGPT, and bam! In literally seconds, you have a killer, SEO-friendly description ready to go. The amount of time saved is it's insane. And it's not just about writing. Look at this. You've got tools like Jasper for all your ad copy. For visuals, something like Midjourney can take an empty room and create these beautiful, virtually staged photos. And for capturing leads, AI chatbots can work 24/7, talking to potential clients and booking meetings for you, even while you're asleep. There is a quick win for pretty much everything an agent does. And really, this is what it boils down to. It's about getting rid of that friction, that hesitation. AI lets you take an idea for a blog, an ad, whatever, and just make it happen. Instantly. It frees you up to think about the big picture instead of getting stuck in the weeds. Okay, individual tools are great for quick wins. But now, let's level up. Let's talk about something way more powerful. Building a true AI assistant that can manage entire workflows for you from start to finish. And the key idea here is the AI agent. I love this analogy because it makes it so clear. A simple chatbot is kind of like a receptionist. It answers the phone, takes a message. An AI agent, though, is like a full-on personal assistant. You give it a goal, and it figures out all the steps to get it done. It doesn't just pass a message, it takes action. So how did these things actually work? Well, it's kind of like a company org chart. You, the human, talk to one main AI, the executive director. It's the boss. It then delegates your request to a specialized manager AI, like the marketing manager. That manager then breaks the job down into tiny pieces and gives them to task agents, which do one specific thing, like write one email or make one post. This structure makes the whole system incredibly smart and efficient. And this is where things get really mind-blowing. A fully built-out AI assistant can do all of this for you automatically. It can find a new lead online, qualify them, add them to your database, and schedule a follow-up call, all without you doing a thing. It can check contracts for missing signatures, post a new listing to all your social media accounts. This is real, hands-off automation. So, let's bring this all back home. We've seen the pressures agents are under, we've seen the simple tools and the advanced systems. But what does it all really mean for the agent? Well, it all comes back to that one core idea we started with:
This quote from Samantha McLean just says it perfectly. The point of all this tech isn't to make people obsolete. The point is to amplify our human skills, to get all the junk out of the way so agents can double down on the things that only a person can do.
So if you want to think about it in a simple formula, this is it. It's you times AI. It's a force multiplier. It's not about adding, it's about multiplying. AI takes the skills and talent you already have and just scales them up, letting you achieve exponentially more with the same amount of effort.
And here we are, full circle back to Ryan Serhant. Think about it. The internet didn't get rid of retail stores, it got rid of the bad ones. It's the same thing here. AI isn't coming for real estate agents. It's coming for the boring, inefficient parts of the job, which will just let the great agents be even greater. Because at the end of the day, so much of this business is, and always will be, about people. AI can't know a neighborhood like someone who lives there. It can't navigate the tricky emotions of a high-stakes negotiation. And it definitely can't build the kind of deep, trusting relationships that last a lifetime. These are the human skills that AI is going to give you more time to focus on.
So what's the actual tangible benefit here? It really comes down to this number, 10 plus. That's how many hours a week agents are getting back by using these tools effectively. I mean, that's more than a full workday every single week, just handed back to you.
And so that's the final question I want to leave you with. If you suddenly had an extra 10 plus hours every week, what would you do with it? Would you find more clients? Would you train your team? Or would you just spend more time with your family? AI isn't just a new piece of software, it's an opportunity to completely change the way you work and live. Thanks for watching.